Kyra Clinic is one of the most renowned centers known for aesthetic transformation. The center is equipped with highly advanced devices and professional technical staff. Kyra also leads in hair transplant procedures. The reason of its popularity is the expertise of Dr. Vikas Kauri and best infrastructure. It is the only center where hair graft damage is less than 5%. Dr. Vikas disclosed the fact how the graft damage is controlled in his clinic.
Our cutout rate is less than 5% or it's around 5%. That means while harvesting the grafts from the donor area, there is no or minimal wastage. For example, if we make 100 punches at the back of the head like grrr, 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 if we are making 100 punches, we are getting 95 of the correct follicles. In other clinics, if they are making 100 punches, they are getting 80 of the correct follicles. So there is wastage of 20%, even more than that. So ultimately you end up paying more in such centers because you are not aware. You will be lying down and during the hair transplant, you are not aware what's going at the back of the head. And the second advantage is we are using 0.7 to 0.8 millimeter of the punch, that is the smallest in the world. That means the scar at the donor site is very minimal, so it heals in just 5 to 7 days. And the results, the improvement in our results is basically because of the speed also. We can harvest the grafts at a very high speed or roughly around 8 to 1000 grafts per hour. So if we are taking less number of time, the time of the graft which it is lying outside our body is very less. So we want that the procedure harvesting should be done in just 3 hours and we implant them as quickly as possible. And during the time we keep the grafts that are diamonds for us, we keep the grafts in a special holding solution and we keep it in the refrigerator and we mark our petri dishes as number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we start implantation, we take the dish which has been harvested as a first. And other point is the strict regulation of the temperature. In the refrigerator, we don't want to overcool it, we don't want to keep it in the heat, so the life of the grafts increases. And all my assistant, that is, it is always a teamwork. Hair transplant is a teamwork. If our team is, I always have a stable team. It's unlike in some centers, the teams, they keep on changing every day. And I have selected this picture because this is a mega session. You can see there is not even a single hair, and this is, we are very proud to see the results. And when the patient smiles, all this is possible because we have certain experience of, I have experience of almost 15 years now, and every doctor's hands are different, mind is different. These days there are so many doctors who are doing hair transplant, but they are not even surgeons also. So I am a trained certified plastic surgeon, MCH plastic surgery, which is the highest degree to do a hair transplant. One more thing, the PRP. So we always add the PRP with our procedures, and believe me, the PRP quality varies from center to center. We have US FDA approved Glowfin PRP, that is the best in the world. So I especially went to Europe, did my trainings for the PRP, and we are actually getting the concentrated platelets and the stem cells which we are injecting along with the hair transplant. Thank you.
Kyra Clinic has gained a name in North India for its best services in all cosmetic surgeries, including liposuction, rhinoplasty, gynecomastia, breast surgeries, abdominoplasty, hair transplant, blepharoplasty, and all types of skin and laser treatments.